Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here from MDC Trading Academy with today's pre-market forecast for Wednesday, September the 22nd. Let's quickly jump to our news items for this morning, as today is FOMC statement day. We also have the federal funds rates, and at 2:30 we have the FOMC press conference. Interestingly enough, we also have him speaking at 10 a.m. on Friday, our chairman Powell, which is really interesting. And of course, on Thursday, we hit unemployment claims and flash manufacturing information. Very important day today, FOMC day. Well, you know how to handle those days. Just be careful, watch the volume, watch the structures in the market before you start to decide anything. And the closer you get to the news, the slower the market is going to be. So keep your eyes open for that one. Let's look at our daily chart as we begin our analysis this morning. As you can see, the 80 SMA holding fort here. He's holding serve here. As you notice how after our big drop on Monday, I had a doji day or total indecisiveness yesterday, and today we're opening up a little higher just like we did yesterday, but pretty much holding steady in this support level here. Volume has increased dramatically, almost $3 million, over 3 million contracts on Monday, and well over almost 2 million contracts yesterday. So the volume has increased. The ATR has jumped briskly from our lows back here at 36 all the way to 50. So we have huge ranges, a lot of volume, a lot of good opportunity. And this is where you learn to adapt. You know, we're coming off the doldrums of the summer where we've had the low volume, low volatility, markets moving very slow, positions seem to take forever to develop and to progress. Well, now we're on the other end of the spectrum where we have markets with huge volume, huge volatility. We need to be able to adapt to these types of markets. You have to learn that as the market increases, your adaptation to the market needs to equally be ready to execute. And that's what happens to some of our traders as they're learning that this adaptation is not only anticipation is important, but you also need to adapt to current markets environment. Let's quickly jump to our next chart here so we can get a deeper look behind these numbers. What can we expect this morning? As you can see, market truly broke below the 80 to a previous resistance area, support level from way back when. But as you can see, the market had a really clear trend to the downside. We're finally breaking clear and above it, and it looks like we're using this as a potential support to move higher. So we're expecting the market, as long as it remains above this trend line here, to move a little bit higher. So if you could look at it this way, it's just a very clear compression in the market. Market clearly breaking above here. Of course, where's our main resistance? Our main resistance is right up here right now. This is our main resistance here right now. So any move above this could be an expectation of potential continuation. Our next support, our resistance would be right up here. And of course, any break below these levels here, because this would be considered our true support at this longer term support at this point. Any move below here, obviously we're looking for more continuation down. In the meantime here, we have our targets pretty much set up. Let's look a little closer to our analysis chart, which is a chart that we use for our trading on a daily basis. As you can see, we are in, this is the intraday high and low of yesterday. This is where all the activity happened. Here's our dip below the intraday low as the market clearly breaks through, holds resistance, clearly tries to run but cannot hold. So this is our really important strong support area here. And look how the market just rallies quickly runs through the intraday high, low, retraces right back to use it as resistance. And then we have this trend line here, which pretty much has kept the market above here. Same thing, market is dry after the run. Market has a top, has a bottom. Anything above here, we're expecting a potential run to this intraday high. Any break below here, of course, we're expecting 3 tests of this area here and potentially a break to this area here. So those are the plays for today. Keep your stops well placed. Be patient. Do not force this market. And remember, the trend is your friend. Have a great session. Take care.